Here's how we sign that. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. We're going to make the letter Y. That's the hand shape. Y. How do you make a Y? Well, start like this. Middle 3 fingers down. Leave the pinky and the thumb out, just like the hang loose sign, right? There we go. Put it about here and just drop it down. All right? That. Now I'm moving it around because it can depend what you're referring to, right? If the chair is over there, you wouldn't go like this over here, right? You'd go that, right? That chair. Or that dog. That one, right? So it's going to be directional depending on whatever you're referring to. That. All right, from the side, that. From the other side, that. All right, let's do it 3 times from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. That. Okay, so quick review using the Y hand shape. There's your Y, and just go down. As you drop it down, it's going to tilt forward, so at the end, the palm is completely facing down. That. All right, so you may be wondering, when we get to the test and that pops up, what should you sign? Should you go there? Well, it's up to you. When I sign it, I'm just going to go like that, right? We don't really have anything to specifically refer to, so just to make the sign, we can go that. Okay, so a little bit extra information. That can also be, you can also just point at something, all right? If you're talking about the chair or the dog or the car, you could just point, and the concept will still work for that, right? So if you really want a specific way to say that, and how we're going to do it in this course is with the Y, and you just go that. Okay, we just talked about how to sign that.